Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing fine out there. In this video, we're going to unbox and review the Bakeey G69 smartwatch. And we see here that the box looks very generic with no branding whatsoever. Only a G69 sticker here on top. Let's get it open. Okay, so here we see securely packed is the smartwatch body. We have the rose gold bezel variant, while silver and iron gray bezel variants are also available. The body is 8.8mm thick with heart rate and G sensors. Let's see what else is in the box. According to specifications, this is an IP68 waterproof device. Here we have the strap and pins. So far, we still do not see any branding on this device. The strap we ordered is the metallic one. It's a 22mm with a length of 260. It's a Milanese strap type, like a little chain mail. It also has this magnet to lock at any point in the strap. Next in the box, we have the USB powered charger. It has two pins with a magnetic lock that matches the polarity on the watch. Lastly, we have this manual, nicely printed but still no branding of any kind. Now let's try to install the bracelet to the body. These two pins have little latches, so we will not need any tool to install them. By the way, there are also silver and iron gray straps available, as well as silicone straps of the three color variants. Fixing the strap can be a bit tricky and you'll need steady fingers to do it fast. I wish they had the strap installed out of the box. That would make life easier. Let's remove this protective film on the magnet. And let's try to see if this magnetic lock works. The magnetic lock is quite strong and effective. Good. Let's power it up. There we go. As per specification, this is a 1.69-inch TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. But the bezels are thicker than those shown on the pictures. At maximum brightness, the level is more than enough indoors. It is packed with all these different functions that we listed in the description below. As per specification, the battery capacity is 180 mAh with a standby duration of about 30 days. It also claims about 5 to 8 days of use. Even in the device details, there is still no brand mentioned, so we can conclude for now that this is a generic OEM device marketed under the Bakeey brand. So here we see the features and functions available. Do check them in the description below. We also see here that this is a full touchscreen display and you may need some time to get used to the control gestures. Here we can see that you can switch up to 4 watch faces on the device. On the app, however, we will see later that there are more options, including a customizable one. Time to check the weight. This is a relatively light device, and we see here that it only weighs 58 grams including the strap. Let's get it charged up for now, and let's check the app for the meantime. In the manual, there is a QR code that points to an app called The Fit. After installing it, you will be asked for some physical details such as gender, age, height, and weight. So let's go here and have the app pair with the device. Go to Add Device and wait for the G69 to appear. There we go. Just select the device to pair. Here we see more options for the device, but let's have a look at the watch faces first. So these are the 4 default on the device, but pressing more here, we see a lot more watch faces available. Also, the 4th default face is a customizable, so you can choose a photo and make it a background for this face. Nice! There are a lot more options on the app, as well as this physiological cycle reminder for the ladies. The maximum brightness level outdoors is still acceptable. It's not very bright but still readable. So there you have it, guys, the Bakeey G69 smartwatch. For sure, it's no premium device, but for a price to features perspective, it's quite good. At the time of this video, the price is around $32 US online, and we also place an affiliate link below if you want to get one. We will also review more budget smartwatches in the future, so please subscribe to our channel to see the latest updates. Thanks for watching, guys, and until the next Click Ship review, stay safe out there. Goodbye and God bless.